Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the 3 best ceramic hair dryers in the market. We'll talk about what you should look for before buying ceramic hair dryers. You can find timestamps and links to order the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. At number 3, Conair InfinitiPRO. Comes with different attachments such as a concentrator nozzle and diffuser to stylize the hair while drying. Control settings are within easy reach on the handle. One of the better budget models that won't leave you wanting more. Not delicate enough for some thicker hairstyles. At number 2, BaBylissPro Super Turbo Dryer. Heating element acts quickly, making the hair drying process faster than other models. Has settings controls that are easy to reach while in use. Lower volume than other common hair dryers. The best choice of hair dryer for people wanting premium performance in a relatively small, portable package. Somewhat heavier than other dryers due to the bulky build. At number 1, BaBylissPro Xtreme Dryer. Provides a lot of customization when using the dryer. Comes with a good variety of control settings for the perfect drying experience. Comes with 4 specific temperature settings and 2 speed controls. A premium hair dryer that delivers better results than average competitors. Too heavy to hold comfortably for long periods of time. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.